Hi guys, we are going to be looking at Odoo check-in and check-out. So if you are a very small organization and you have your staff all as users in Odoo, you can grant them, after you've grant them access to the software, you also enable them the feature to carry out clock in and clock out. So you can see their activities during the day or during the week or the month. So the first thing first, we have to set it up. So I'm going to go to settings. Then from settings towards the left side, we'll look out for employees. So we're going to select employees. Then from the top here, you see we have presence display. We want to enable this feature based on attendance. So I'm going to click on that and ensure you click on save. So this is the only setting you need to enable to be able to carry out clock in and clock out in Odoo. So now we're going to go back. Then now we see we have attendance, and we also see this red button at the top. So every staff, they are encouraged whenever they resume for the day, you click on this button. Now it will welcome you. At the moment I am Michelle admin. And today so far 0 hours 00 minutes because I have not checked in. So I'm going to check it now to start. Now notice it has changed from red to green. So let's say I carry out my activity. I just go around the software, check my reports, go to my balance sheet, look at the informations. Okay, outstanding receipt, bank suspense account. Okay, I'm done for accounting, or I can still go to accounting or probably go to inventory. Now it is recording the time I'm using in the software. So I can go to my product and check the product. Now, if you enable location feature on your phone or on the laptop that you are using to log in. Of course, this should be the policy of the organization that you should enable the location. It would also bring up the time you've logged in and the location you are logging in from, the computer you're also logging in from, the IP address and the location, right? So this also ensures that the attendance is the check-in and check-out are always in track. Okay, so let's say I'm done for the day or for the moment. So I'm going to go back to this green. Now notice how we have an additional layer where it shows me 12:20 p.m. That was when I logged in, I checked in. So the other aspect is now. So at the moment, this is just 1 minute, 0 hours, 1 minute. If I still stay on a little bit, let's say I want to just hang around a little bit for it to get up to 2 minutes. So I must still go around and okay, so I think it's okay now. Let's just click on that. Now you see we have 2 minutes. And now if I click on checkout, you see that once you click on that, it will show you 12:20 p.m. and 12:22 p.m. in check-in and check-out. So far 2 minutes for today. I can also check in again. So maybe it depends on how my job is, right? I can also check in again for another session, still today. Now, notice how this 2 minutes is going to increase to 3 minutes or 4 minutes, however, how many minutes I spend on the second time. Okay, so let's just go around a little bit. Let's look at our calendar and probably, okay, fix some dates. Okay, I'll go back and go to do or yeah, to do. So I can decide to okay, I want to this week review finance, later research investment options and stuff like that. Okay, so let me go back to do, and also let's check. Now you see we have 2 minutes and 1 minute. So let me just check out. So we have total of 3 minutes for today. Now, as an admin or whoever is the manager, you have access to click on attendance. Now for attendance for the day, you can easily see the login details, the check-in and check-out of individual staff. So at the moment, this is Michelle. So Michelle admin 3 minutes, which is very correct. Now for this 3 minutes, we have two sessions. We have session 1 and we have session 2. For the session 1, this is 12:20 to 12:22. If there's extra hours, it will indicate the work time is 0 hour 2 minutes. Now for the second time, it was 12:22 p.m. to 12:23. You can also use this to track the attendance for your staff, their login and logout details. You can also see for other staff, this is 0 hours and 0 minutes. Why? 10:19 to 10:19. Now if you come here, this is 5 hours. How come? 6 to 11, that is almost about 5 hours, yeah, which is correct. Now if you come to the top here, we have 3 hours 30 minutes. You can see from 9 to 12. You can also decide to check per day or per week, from Monday down to Saturday, or you can also check monthly, or even decide to select the date range you are interested in. Now over here, you can use this to go back and front to see for previous days or previous month, depending on how the selection you did here. Now you can also click on this to activate sparse mode, so that you can also see from Michelle here. I can see the time. Instead of clicking on this individually, you can see twice logged in. This is once logged in. This is once and twice. It also give you more details as how the attendance or the clock in and clock out was. Then you can also click on this to also filter based on department. I want to see admin, this management department, which I belong to, management research department, management research and development, then professional services. You can also do this based on the department. You can also do a lot of things, maybe by manager or my attendance or my team. If I click on my team, you see we don't have any, then my attendance at the moment. So you can select and deselect whichever. However, you can see different other options: check in, check out, created by, IP address, in location, employee and stuff. So this is clock in, clock out. Funny enough, you can see how detailed it is and other informations you can actually walk around when it comes to the attendance feature. Then you can also click on the list, so it shows you in list form, where you can be able to also view demo, Michelle, admin. You see for Michelle, there are 2 login. You can also see it in this format if you don't want to use this other format. So this is clock in and clock out in Odoo accounting software.